Lots of you requested to do a short ballet choreography, so here we go. Today's short choreography is going to be for intermediate level. However, I will challenge all of those that consider themselves beginner to try this choreography as well. Why not? Basically, I'm going to base the choreography similar to the intermediate foundation from the Royal Academy of Dance syllabus. In saying that, let's get ready. We are going to begin outside the stage to your right side of the stage. You have left leg on the back and classical pose. When the music begins, you wait for 5, 6, 7 and go. We are going to do sauté passé, opposite leg to opposite arm. Now you have left leg on the back, so that left leg is going to open, is going to step, and we are going to do sauté, so your right leg is on passé. After that passé, sauté, you're going to open right leg, and you're going to turn and sauté, giving back to the audience. Right hand in 5th position, and left hand by your side. You then are going to do a chassé that ends in tendu to the back, arms on allongé with slide and épaulement. Yeah? Did you get all that? Let's do it again. Classical pose, left leg on the back, 5, 6, 7, step with left, passé, chassé, tendu, and stay there. Awesome, let's do that with music. 6, 7, step, 1, 2, 3, 4. Always remember that you can pause the video, go back and repeat this phrase as many times as you need. Now I'm going to move to the next phrase. So our next phrase, we finish on chassé with a slide épaulement, which means your right hands go to the back, left hand in front, and we are going to do balancé, balancé, chassé to the side, tendu. Okay, one more time. Chassé forward, and we are going to do the right. Balancé, balancé, chassé to the right side that ends on tendu à la seconde, and arms towards the left leg, which is the one by our side. From here, next we are going to do tombé. We are facing the right side in front of us. Right leg is on the back. Pas de bourrée. We're going to do sauté arabesque, run, run, run. We get 5th position, chassé to the back. Okay, one more time everything. Don't worry, remember that you can always go back and review step by step. But I'm gonna do it with you one more time. So chassé tendu, it goes balancé, balancé, chassé tendu, hold the tombé, pas de bourrée, tombé, chassé, run, run, run. 5th position, left leg in front, grassé, facing the right diagonal in front of us, chassé to the back, right hand up, left hand down. Okay, so that's going to be our second phrase. Now let's join phrase 1 and phrase 2 without music, and then we're going to do both phrases with music. Classical pose, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Sauté arabesque, 3, 4, 5, hold, 6, 7, hold, 8. Classical pose, 6, 7, step, passé, passé, chassé. 1, 2, hold it, plié, plié, sauté arabesque, run, 5th position, chassé. And our last phrase, remember that we finished chassé, tendu, the hold, 7. From here we are going to do balancé and tournant, but I will recommend you to do a contretemps to do that balancé. If you don't know how to do contretemps, I'm going to leave a link for you up here or down below in the description of the video. But basically, contretemps is you're going to step left leg on the floor, your right leg is going to open jeté, jeté, just that. And continue to do balancé and tournant. Yep, so let's see how it looks like. Tendu, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pick a 5th position. Croisé, we're going to be facing the right diagonal in front of us, left leg in front, and arms tall in 5th position. One more time. Ready? chasse tendu, 7, 8, counter time, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, pick a 5th position, and hold it. We are going to do balance, balance, tendu, this time is in plie, relevé, and we are going to continue to finish our phrase. From that 5th position, let's repeat the balances one more time. 3, 4, 5, 6, tendu with plie, 7, 8, chasse attitude. So my left leg is going to open, right leg attitude, chasse, left leg attitude, open, pique soutenu, and with control, jeté, and we slowly lower down to knee. Now when we do the sautés, we do not have a lot of time to do elevation. Rather, I just want you to do petit sautés. 1, 2, yeah? The first one is, let's say that the first one we're going to do croisé facing the left diagonal and facing the right diagonal. Now, we are going to do it croisé, but we are going to move sideways, right? This is how it's gonna look like. 1, 2, because of the new control, open, and control the way down. Now, let's join phrase 1, 2, and 3 together without music, and then we are going to do everything from the beginning with music. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, hold, 4, and 5, 6, 7, hold, 8, and 1, slowly, 2, sauté arabesque, 3, run, 4, pique, 5, hold it, 6, chasse 7, and hold it, 8, counter time, 1, 2, 3, hold, 4, balance, 5, 6, this time plie, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, stay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oof, let's do it now with music. Hold it. Stay, open, and just like that, Short Ballet Choreography, it's back on my channel. I hope that you like it. You did so. Remember to subscribe and click the notification button so next time I upload a video, you get the direct notification.